Hello everyone, in this video we are going to perform calibration of RTD. Full form of RTD is Resistance Temperature Detector, and calibration is the process in which we are measuring the error of instrument. Now first we need to understand the construction and working of RTD. In 1871 it was discovered that the resistivity of metals highly depends on temperature. As temperature increase, resistance of metal increase and vice versa. RTD works on this principle. If you look at the construction of RTD here, it does appear like this. We have one protecting tube, and at bottom, as you can see, we have one sensing element, and at the top over here we have some internal construction. If I talk about internal construction of RTD, so what we have, so in this case we have four resistors which are connected with each other in the Wheatstone bridge. As per figure, three resistors are at right side and the fourth one is at left side, which is a resistance thermometer. They all possess same resistance, so potential difference between two terminal is zero. But now, if we immerse this fourth resistance into any higher temperature zone, so the resistance of this part is rapidly changed. Hence, the Wheatstone bridge will be no longer in balance condition, and we get some value of potential difference. This potential difference value we calibrate, and as a result, that we get the value of temperature. Generally, we are using pure metal for resistance. This is the setup that we have for calibration of our RTD. Here you can see we have one heating unit inside, which right now water is filled, and in the inner chamber, as you can see, we have oil that is filled. This particular device along the strip, that is our RTD. And this yellow color object is a glass tube thermometer. As you can see, both temperature measuring device, one is glass tube thermometer and one is RTD, both are placed in the oil chamber. At this time, glass tube thermometer showing the value which is 31 degrees Celsius. And at the same time, RTD is showing 31.2 degrees Celsius. So we get difference of zero point 0.2 degrees Celsius. So we have to note down it in our table in reference temperature. Now we are starting the heater and hold it for some time. Temperature which is reported in thermometer is 55 degrees Celsius and corresponding temperature of RTD is 52.9 degrees Celsius. And in similar way, we have taken this remaining reading in increasing order of temperature and decreasing order of temperature with respect to time. So now you can see, as per our observation table, we can conclude that the error which is present in our RTD is approximately minus 2.5 degrees Celsius. So likewise we can do the calibration of our resistance temperature detector.